Hey guys, it's Greg with Pro Home Products back at the bench. I want to show you one of our latest offerings. It's our storage bins that are used for the Milwaukee Packout system. These bins are specifically designed for the 4-drawer system or for the 2- and 1-drawer system. I'm going to bring you in close to the bench now and I'm going to show you what we're talking about. The beauty of this system is its versatility. You can use it in a few different ways. You can have it as empty storage bins. You can attach the label to it so that you can use them with labels. And you can also have a divider that fits perfectly inside to divide it into 2 spaces. When you get your system, it's going to come to your house kind of like this. You're going to open it up. You're going to take out your dividers if you want them. Let's say I want a divider in this one and this one, but I don't want them in these 2, so I'll put these off to the side. I take these little black dividers, put them off to the side, come back to them in a minute. Then you're going to take these red labels. The label tabs go on like this, exactly like the top one will show you, and they correspond to these notches that are in the bins. Now, if you find at any point that they're a little bit tough to kind of get in because they're made to be snug, just take a little sandpaper and you can sand off the edge a little bit just to get it to fit a little bit nicer. Last one, put that one on. Okay, now we have all of our labels attached. Now in our drawer, we're going to take those dividers I referenced earlier. That's these. You can't use the ones that come with the Packout system because they're too big and they get in the way of the bins. So all of our bins come with these additional dividers that you can slide in like this. And now we have separators. Then all you have to do, throw your bins in place. And you're good to go. You can see these fit very nicely. They're flush with the top. They have very little movement, but they're not super tight so that you're easy to grab them out, swap them out. They fit in every space. No need to have specific spots.